everyone. Today we start our new topic naphthalene in the chapter of study of aromatic compound. Let we start. The structure of naphthalene you can see in this slide. It contains two benzene rings and molecular formula of benzene of naphthalene is C10H8. So naphthalene is the simplest polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon which consists of a fused pair of benzene ring. It is widely used in production of phthalic anhydride and used in mothballs. Now you can see the structure of naphthalene in this slide. It consists two fused ring of benzene with 10 number of carbon and 8 number of hydrogen. In this slide, numbering is given to each carbon position like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This numbering will help us in nomenclature of naphthalene products. In this slide, first carbon number position is called alpha position, second carbon number position is called beta. Again, third carbon position is also called beta position. Fourth number position is called alpha position, and this is again repeat to second ring of naphthalene. So in short, the top carbon and bottom carbon is called alpha position and side carbon position is called beta position. Now we start our preparation method of naphthalene. In this, the first method is from coal tar. A coal tar is product of a coal processing like hydrogenation of coal, distillation of coal. This coal tar contain around 10% of naphthalene by weight. Distillation of coal tar give an oil which contain around 50% of naphthalene. This final oil is treated with acid, base to remove impurities and followed by distillation to give crude oil which is around 95% of 95% of naphthalene. Second process is Haworth synthesis process. Let we split this process into number of steps. First step is reaction between benzene and succinic acid. This is simple Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction in which benzene react with succinic acid in presence of aluminium chloride and it gives benzoyl propanic acid. Now this benzoyl propanic acid is treated with zinc, mercury and in presence of acidic media, that means in hydrochloric acid media, it gives phenyl butanoic acid. Now this phenyl butanoic acid is heated in presence of a concentrated sulfuric acid to give alpha tetralene. This alpha tetralene is further again treated with zinc mercury in presence of hydrochloric acid to give tetrahydronaphthalene. This tetrahydronaphthalene is heated in presence of selenium catalyst to give naphthalene. Let me prepare the sentence for this reaction. First step is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. In this, benzene react with succinic anhydride in presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride and it gives benzoyl propanic acid. Second step is a Clemmensen reaction in which benzoyl propanic acid is treated with zinc mercury in acidic media HCl media to give phenyl butanoic acid. On third step is on heating of phenyl butanoic acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid which result into formation of ring structure of alpha tetralene by eliminating water. Fourth step is Clemmensen reaction in which alpha tetranyl is turned to give a tetrahydronaphthalene. Fifth step is on dehydrogenation of tetrahydronaphthalene in presence of selenium, it gives naphthalene. Let we list out physical properties of naphthalene. Naphthalene is a white crystalline solid. It is insoluble in water. Melting point of naphthalene is around 80 degrees Celsius. It is soluble in alcohol, benzene, toluene and aniline. Boiling point of naphthalene is around 218 degrees Celsius. It has odor like coal tar odor. Now we start chemical properties of naphthalene, in which first is nitration reaction. It is simplest electrophilic substitution reaction in which naphthalene is react with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at 60 degrees Celsius temperature, and it gives alpha nitronaphthalene. I think you know the mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid is reagent for nitration reaction, and here the nitro group is attached at this position, so it is called alpha position. So the product name is alpha nitronaphthalene. Second is sulfonation reaction. In this reaction, naphthalene is react with concentrated sulfuric acid at 80 degrees Celsius temperature to give alpha naphthalene sulfonic acid. Similar nitration reaction here also. SO3H group is attached as alpha position, you can see in this slide, and the product name is alpha naphthalene sulfonic acid. Third reaction is halogenation reaction. This is also electrophilic substitution reaction in which naphthalene is react with chlorine in presence of CCl4, that is carbon tetrachloride, to give chloronaphthalene. Here also attachment of chloro group is at alpha position, so the product name is alpha chloronaphthalene. Fourth reaction is oxidation reaction. It is very important reaction, and it is conversion of naphthalene into phthalic anhydride. The reaction, you can see the reaction on air oxidation of naphthalene in presence of vanadium pentoxide V2O5 at around 400 to 500 degrees Celsius temperature, it gives phthalic anhydride. Fifth reaction is reduction. In this reaction, naphthalene is treated with sodium and ethanol to give dihydronaphthalene. The product name is dihydro because there are two hydrogen present at number 4 position and number 1 position. So product name is dihydronaphthalene. Now sixth reaction is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. In this reaction, naphthalene reacts with chloroethane C2H5Cl in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride to give beta ethyl naphthalene. Here ethyl group is attached at beta position, you can see here. So product name is beta ethyl naphthalene. Let me list out application of naphthalene. The first and important application of naphthalene is in production of phthalic anhydride. Second application is in production of insecticide. It is also used in production of dyes like azo dye. It is used in mothballs. You can see in the picture. This we keep in our clothes, in our winter clothes, in our bathroom. And there are also other use of naphthalene like in adhesives, sealant and fuel additives. So this is all about naphthalene. Now you are able to explain preparation, physical property, chemical property and application of naphthalene.